The reason why I automatically, the first one I showed you was all high is because that's probably the second, if not the first drill that I was taught way back in 1983. When the tips of the stick, as you twirl them, point upward, we call that heaven six. So it's high, 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 high. That one's called heaven six. When we go high, low, that's called heaven earth six. High, low, high, high, low, high. And then when we do all low, that's called earth six. Low, 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 low. Now Glenn's gonna help me because many years ago, who the heck knows how long ago it was, I took one of my old high school exercise books and turned it into a martial art notebook. So Glenn and I were over at storage a while ago, and lo and behold, this thing that I had misplaced for years, we came across it. And what I now have available to me is what I just showed you there, the heaven six, and then standard six, or heaven and earth six, and earth six. So Glenn's gonna call out the other ones for me, and I'm going to perform them.
Okay.
So we know that heaven six is all high. We know that standard six, or heaven and earth six, is high, low, high, high, low, high. And we know that earth six is all low. Okay. What do we have next, Glenn?
Then we have sun and moon over earth, high, high, low.
So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Then we have heaven over earth and sea, high, low, low.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Then we have earth under sun and moon, which is low, high, high.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Earth and sea under heaven, low, low, high.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And heaven between two earths, low, high, low.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are the 8 basics. Now the reason why we say there are 64 basics is because I'll give you one example. I'm not going to explain it, and then maybe you will work it out for yourself. And I'm also only going to do 4 versions of it, and then you have to work out why there's 64. Okay, so here we go. Okay, that's why there's 64 basics, but I'm not saying nothing.